After planting countless amounts of seeds, only to have hardly any of the seedlings sprout. You may be wondering, why? In this video, you will see 5 reasons why that is happening, and how to fix it. Number 1. Soil quality. Most low-priced soils are usually very poor quality, often containing rocks, wood, and more. All this debris can make it hard for seeds to sprout, and it can absorb the water, depleting the seeds of moisture. You can fix this problem by buying better quality soils, sifting it, and adding natural fertilizers. Number 2. Old seeds. Seeds that have not been stored properly, or ones that are very old, have a low chance of sprouting, making it a waste to plant the seeds. Store seeds in airtight containers to preserve them. To test if they are still viable, place them in water, and if they sink, they're still good. Number 3. Overwatering. Seeds that get watered too often, or watered too much, have a high chance of rotting before or during their sprouting time. Especially if there are no drainage holes, or if the pots are indoors. Make sure your pots have drainage holes, and only water the soil when it is dry. Number 4. Underwatering. Seeds need moisture in order to sprout. Just soil is not enough. The soil should always have a little bit of moisture, and should never be completely dried out. If planting seeds indoors, they won't need as much water as they would outdoors, because of all the sun and heat. Number 5. Wrong temperature. Certain plants like peppers, avocados, etc., need warm enough temperatures in order to sprout and cannot just be planted in cool weather. If planting outdoors, the night temperature should be no lower than 10 degrees Celsius, or 50 Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.